Hopefully, you all guys are having a wonderful day. This is Manchester United 0, Aston Villa 0. And if we analyze the game on as a Man United fans, I think we will be worried about our attacking quality. The crux of this game is Man United forwards are rubbish. They are not able to hold up the play. They are not able to sting out and the final third passes, the passing accuracy in the final third is 60 to 65%, and this is horrible. There were a lot of sequences in this game where if there was any other team, they could have taken the advantage by at least having a shot on target or at least finishing the sequence with a shot. But since United were not able to find their target man, they were not able to sting out the passes, so those all the sequences went into vain. So the problem is Garnacho was absolute rubbish. I never rated this guy. I think he's just an athlete. He does not have the skills to be a starter at Man United, and this is what I have been saying this for quite long time, and I am surprised that Man United fan base does rate Alejandro Garnacho, and I was also surprised on Eric Ten Hag that Amad Diallo didn't started the game. To Amad Diallo didn't come off the bench, and I think there was a sequence in the last dying minutes when United were on the counter. Bruno made a run, Garnacho drive the ball forward, where Garnacho had a chance to find Bruno, and Bruno could have scored that goal, but he was not able to find that pass. And I think if it was Amad Diallo, I think even if it was Anthony, he would be able to find that pass, and that was the crux of this game. The United forward line is rubbish. Joshua Zirkzee was absolutely having a stinker. Even he is coming off the bench. So there was a meme going on. Zirkzee runs and forgets the ball. So he had all the space in this world that he could have, and yet he lost the ball. So this shows that this is going to be a long season for United fan base, and this was expected. And I think if Eric Ten Hag or any other manager that is going to come did not fix this, and then we will be able to have the problem. So we need to change the formation. We need to accommodate our technical players in that lineup. Villa were actually not good if you see the XG and the shots and the total shots on target. But the problem was the eye test showed that they had the quality. Morgan Rogers is him. Morgan Rogers is the man, and Morgan Rogers is the baller. If we see the stats, none of the team were able to create clear-cut chances. Villa had only one shot on target, and that was down to Eric Ten Hag opting for a pragmatic approach. That is the reason he went with Maguire Evans in place of Delete and Lisandro Martinez, and there will be another debate where why he did not started or why did not uh, gave game time to Lisandro Martinez, because last season Eric Ten Hag was gaslighting that if Lisandro Martinez will be back, we will be all good. So this is a question. Menu had an okay game. I would say he had an okay game, but he was dispossessed as well. But there was a moment when Morgan Rogers actually got past him too easily. So Christian Eriksen was having a good game, have an okay game as well. Christian Eriksen is doing enough what is expected from him, and Bruno Fernandes another stinker. I would say another stinker because uh, this was the tactics to this game actually suited him. The tactics to this game actually suited him. United were kind of in a low block, and this is what Bruno Fernandes have been doing for the last 3 years, and this was the game model that actually suited him. But he was again, he had a stinker. The weight on his past was not good. He just made 7 passes into final third in the full 90 minutes with zero chance created. So this is going to be long. So Bruno is having stinker after stinker after stinker after stinker, and I thought that after some time Bruno Fernandes should have been substituted with Amad Diallo as number 10, as Amad Diallo can play at a number 10. Rasmus Højlund had a stinker. Rasmus Højlund is not the guy. Rasmus Højlund, I never rated this guy as well. And Rasmus Højlund, his hold up play is horrible. His touches are horrible, and I don't know why United paid 70 million odd for this guy. Rashford did create a chance. Rashford was having a bad performance when marking his man defensively. He got a yellow card. He got away with the second yellow card, and then Eric Ten Hag had no choice to substitute him. If he had to keep Marcus Rashford on the ground, on the playing ground, then I think the next foul would have been the red card. Alejandro Garnacho, rubbish. Never rated this guy. If I was the United manager, I would never have started with this guy. And last season was exceptional, and but he did started the games, and I think he's not a full 90 minutes player. I have been saying this. I don't know why United fan base rate him. Mazaroi played a half, he was okay. Maguire played a half, he was okay. Evans played a I think full 90 minutes, and he was good. And Dello actually was good as well. There was no problem whatsoever defensively. He did a goal saving block, otherwise that was a goal. He did create a chance, so he actually was hugging the touchline. He was not inverting into the midfield. I think that is good. And still, I think if Mazraoui could have played at left back, and you can Mazraoui can even hug the touchline. Mazraoui can even invert into the midfield. Dello at right back, his crosses are more necessary. So what's next for Eric Ten Hag? I think Eric Ten Hag is going to be sacked, and there is enough evidence up until this season that he is not the right man. His tactics are not the right for United, and whoever comes next, I think he needs to change the formation. He needs to change the formation, and he needs to accommodate the best technical players in that formation, so we will be good. Otherwise, uh, if we keep on going with Eric Ten Hag, then he will be using these players. And if we don't, if we change the manager and he still goes with these players, then I think we are going to have a long, long, long season. Let me know, what do you guys think?